Welcome back to the Autocrafters, where precision meets passion and where legends are never forgotten, only reborn. Today we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated revivals in modern automotive history, the 2026 Mazda RX-8. Yes, the rotary icon has returned. Mazda, the brand that dared to be different, has once again defied convention by bringing back the rotary spirit in an era dominated by electrification and downsized turbo engines. This review is not just about horsepower and specs, that it's about heritage, design, engineering, and the sheer emotional connection between driver and machine. Buckle up, because by the end of this video you'll know whether the new RX-8 is a true continuation of Mazda's rotary legacy or just a nostalgic revival for fans. The 2026 RX-8 embraces Mazda's Kodo soul of motion design language, but with an edge that honors its rotary heritage. At first glance it's low, wide and athletic, almost coupe-like, but still retaining the four-door configuration that made the RX-8 unique. The nose is aggressive, featuring a sharp grille with hexagonal rotary-inspired mesh. The LED headlights are slim and blade-like, with DRLs shaped like the rotor's triangular form. The proportions scream sports car: long hood, short deck, muscular fenders. The suicide rear doors remain cleverly integrated with hidden handles, preserving the RX-8's hallmark accessibility while maintaining coupe aesthetics. Quad circular taillights nod to the RX-7 and RX-8 of old, with a modern LED signature. A subtle ducktail spoiler and quad exhaust outlets complete the look. Step inside, everything is angled toward the driver. The digital instrument cluster is rotary-inspired with a triangular tachometer that pays tribute to the engine's design. A central head-up display provides real-time performance data, lap timers and G-force readings. Mazda's latest 12.5-inch OLED screen runs a rotary-specific interface with performance overlays. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates are standard. The front sport buckets hug you in Alcantara and leather, while rear passengers enjoy usable space thanks to those unique rear-hinged doors. Carbon fiber trim, brushed aluminum accents and customizable ambient lighting elevate the cabin. Under the hood, the RX-8 has always been about handling finesse rather than brute force, and the 2026 version doubles down. Built on a modified rear-drive platform with extensive use of aluminum and carbon composites, Brembo's 6-piston calipers up front, 4-piston rear carbon ceramic option on our performance. So what sets the 2026 RX-8 apart in a crowded sports car market? No other brand is daring enough to reintroduce a rotary engine in 2026. Mazda alone carries this legacy forward. By pairing the rotary with hybrid assist, Mazda solves past rotary flaws: fuel efficiency, emissions, and low-end torque. Practicality with performance. Few sports cars offer genuine rear seats without sacrificing dynamics. At just under 3,100 pounds in base trim, it's lighter than most rivals in its segment. On the road, the RX-8 feels alive. The hybrid torque fills the low end, so you're never caught flat-footed in traffic. Push past 4,000 RPM and the rotary comes alive, singing its trademark high-pitched wail. By 900 RPM it's pure adrenaline. On track, the RX-8, our performance shines. The steering is razor-sharp, the chassis rotates effortlessly, and the car feels like an extension of you. The balance is such that even mid-corner corrections feel natural. It's playful, forgiving, yet capable of rewarding expert drivers. Noise, vibration and harshness managed beautifully, but Mazda hasn't sanitized the experience. You still feel the mechanical heartbeat of the rotary beneath you. The 2026 RX-8 isn't just a car, it's a message. Mazda refuses to abandon the soul of driving, even in an era where EVs dominate headlines. By keeping the rotary alive and pairing it with modern hybrid tech, Mazda bridges the gap between past and future. For enthusiasts, this car is more than specs, it's an icon reborn. For Mazda, it's proof that being different is still worth it. The 2026 Mazda RX-8 is not the most powerful sports car on the market. It's not the flashiest nor the fastest in a straight line. But it is authentic, distinctive and pure Mazda. It blends heritage with innovation, performance with practicality and passion with precision. In a world of homogenized sports cars, the RX-8 proudly stands out as the rotary renegade we've been waiting for. Thanks for watching, and drop your thoughts in the comments, we'd love to hear them. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss our deep dives into the latest cars shaping the automotive world.